This is the 9th video for my podcast today. Maybe it's the 10th one. I'm not 100% sure. Good evening, guys. My name is Ahmed Mustefa Ahmed, and I've been working my butt off. Now, the traffic has died down a little bit. I've uploaded another video. It's actually uploading in the background right now for you guys to enjoy on my podcast. I think it's the 8th or 9th video. I'm not 100% sure. I just make so much content, I lose track of it now. But I don't mind because you don't mind. And I know you don't mind because I've been reading your comments. Your comments keep telling me, other than the trolls, a lot of you are saying, hey, I've been following your YouTube channel. I've been following your comments. I've been trying your strategies and they're working for me, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Now, I waited here for about 15-20 minutes. I let the traffic die down. I'm gonna go towards Claremont. If anything pops up, I'll let you know. And there's less talking now. Right now it's just gonna be about driving and watching what pops up, and I'll show you. And ultimately, I'm at 186, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I just want to get to around 200, maybe 225 and call it a night. And I'm starting my destination mode. I'm literally using the destination mode to take me home. It's Friday night. I should get paid, but I don't know what's going to happen. I can't confirm it. I cannot confirm it, my friends. I can't confirm it. These apps have a mind of their own. It's the holiday season is over, but I will keep you posted. We're gonna pause it, and when I start again, you'll know, because something important happened. Either something popped up, or it's a red light, and we'll be talking about something. So on the right, I'm using Google Ads to kind of take me to Claremont colleges. And on the left, Uber is literally going towards my house, but I'm keeping an eye on the traffic. And I'm hoping, using destination mode and taking the streets, by the time I get to Claremont colleges, I get somebody. If not, then I'll work my way to Ontario Airport and turn destination mode off and just slingshot one ride out. Okay, I'm gonna turn destination mode off over here just to test it out and see if anything pops up. And yeah, that's how I turn destination mode off. I just turn the app off and turn it back on. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it back on, and on the right, I'm gonna see if anything pops up, just to see what's going on out here. Right? I have everything on just to see if there's any opportunities. Right? Maybe there's nothing. But on the left, I'm gonna keep driving using Google Maps towards Claremont, and once it gets busy, and Uber has the seizure, the algorithm, and starts giving me $3, $4, $5, then I'll use that location to use my destination mode and turn it back on. And this is just a little trick that I do. There you go, baby. $3. Thank you. So I know the algorithm is working, right? I just have to wait and make sure. Sometimes I get a little bit worried in destination mode. I'm like, I'm going in destination mode. I wonder if I got put in prison. No, it's working. There's that crappy $3 ride. So we know it's working, but we wanted to have a seizure. And you know what a seizure is, right? Seizure is basically and it keeps giving 3, 4, 5 rides, right? Then you want to use destination mode. Now, a couple of important things to note over here in Laverne and Claremont, where I'm going, right? Claremont has Harvey Mudd, Claremont McKenna, and Scripps. There's like 7 colleges and universities here, and I just left University of Laverne, right? It's Friday night. College kids like to go out and party, right? So if nothing is popping, that means maybe they're low on income or something, or I'm not sure what's going on, because it should be popping $3, $4, $5, right? But it's not. But we're gonna stick to our strategy. Okay, I am in Claremont. Okay, now we can take Uber out of timeout. Let me see what the options are. We're gonna turn food off. Pet we're gonna leave on, because out here people are wealthy and they have pets, and there's a chance someone could need a ride. Okay, everything else is also on. Just the only thing that's off is deliveries. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of timeout, turn it on, and see if it barks a little bit. And if it doesn't, there's no use. There's no point in using destination mode. If in normal mode it's not crying, there it is. That's one though. We need more cries, right? We need it to cry like 4 or 5 times. Then you can use destination mode. If it's not having a seizure and it's not crying over and over and over, there's no point in using destination mode. Like, you're just wasting it, right? Now, there's a couple of things over here. San Dimas. Actually, if I was going towards LA, San Dimas is a good point to be at, right? One option is I can go up, and I've been teaching you guys this. Go up and then go along the mountain, right? This is all mountains up here, right? This is where people have money. I can go up that way and go home, and then possibly use the destination mode, because you know where people have money, there's a chance you can get a ride, right? My second option is to check Ontario Airport. Come on, bro, let me see how many people. I'm just trying to see what time the flight is coming. All right, let's see if we can get it to work. I have to do this. I have to do this. Then I have to go over here and clear the memory. Okay, and then turn the app back on, and sometimes the airport thingy will show up. And don't ask me how I got this, how I figured this out. It just works sometimes. Don't embarrass me, Uber. Where are you? Okay, did it embarrass me? Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, so the app is crapping out. Like, it won't even let me see the airport. Maybe it doesn't want me to go to the airport, because that's my trick, right? That's literally my trick. All right, so there's nothing I can do about that. So yeah, so in this situation, I'm gonna use yeah, I'm just gonna go up. I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna hug the mountain, and I'm gonna go this way. Then I'm gonna, somewhere here, I'm gonna come down to Ontario Airport. This is a wealthy area, and this is a wealthy area, and all of this is wealthy, okay? This is all wealthy, right? I'm hoping going this way and coming down to Ontario will work. Had I known if I'm able to see Ontario and see what time the flights are coming, I would have just, most likely, because of the traffic, right? I'm delaying all of this. I would have just kept going straight, and at some point when I passed the traffic, I would have came down like this. I'll keep you posted, my friends. And hopefully you're enjoying this. This is literally how I think and what I'm doing. And feel free to correct me if you drive out here and you know something better I can do. I'm just trying to go home and make another 20-30 bucks going home, and use the drive time so I can get Prop 22 money. So we're gonna use Day Creek Park as a reference to go. And no, I'm not gonna go backwards. Even though this dumb app is telling me to go that way, I'll probably figure out a way, and I'll figure out something and go up this way and get on the freeway, or it'll automatically adjust itself. And right now, where I'm at off Indian Hill Boulevard and Bonita Ave, this is the heart of Claremont. This is where all the colleges are. This is all their food courts. So you guys want to memorize this. This is a great location to be at. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yeah, just memorize this. Wherever this is, you want to come here. This is the heart. But I think everyone's coming into here for dinner, not leaving this area. Maybe 2 hours later, then people will need a ride out of here. Okay, now I'm on Foothill Boulevard. I believe this is the old Route 66. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a right, and I don't want to go on the freeway. If I go on the freeway, I go too fast and it doesn't work out. And memorize Foothill. If you're ever out in Claremont area or Rancho Cucamonga, Foothill is where all the businesses are and all the restaurants are. Okay, and here, so oh no, that's too small of a bark. And then you can see the colleges that I was talking about. There's a college, Fitzer's right there, right? You can literally read it. Walker Hall, Crown Hall, Boswell Hall, Pomona College, right? This area is full of colleges, okay? Okay, anyways, you get what I'm saying, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep going down Foothill, nice and slow. I'm gonna keep going down Foothill, nice and slow, in this direction. Good, it's barking now. That's two. So that's two, right? We want 4 or 5 barks before we can use destination mode. So this is good. See, you've seen me. Oh, there it is. There it is. I was telling you it's coming. Okay, now 4 or 5, right? These are all in the container. Hopefully one of these will turn into a $10 or $15 ride. Okay, so basically I've hit a wave, and I've hit the right spot where there's not enough drivers and all of these kids need a ride. But somebody over here might want to go out and party, right? Now there's a problem. When these kids go out and party, sometimes they go over here, right? and then sometimes they're gonna go. There's some bars over here in Rancho Cucamonga this way, right? But that's okay. We just want $10-15 to move, and ideally we want to get close to here. So once I get to Ontario Airport, then I can test it. I have a feeling by 8 o'clock flights are landing, if not by 9 or 10, right? I'm not gonna wait till 9 or 10, right? But I'm gonna keep working my way over. This is what I'm gonna do. One thing that worked right now is we saw all these, oh, it's dark. We saw all these things popping up, right? So I hit a sweet spot. It's like, you know, if you're fishing and you throw the reel in and you get to the right spot where all the fish are and they're taking little nibs. That's what we got, 4 or 5 little nibs, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep going this way, then I'm gonna come down towards the Ontario Airport, somewhere here or somewhere here. And if I go on the freeway, I'm gonna get traffic and there's no money there. But because I'm close up, because I'm close enough to the mountains, there's a chance I can pull somebody for $10-15, right? Just $10, $15, $20, that's it. But this is literally what you have to go through, and it's a Friday night. It makes no sense for it to be this slow. But hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? Okay, there's a nice one, right? But I'm not going towards LA. If I was driving LA, I might have taken that to get me out there to Los Angeles so I can drive Friday night. But that's the other thing I told you earlier in this video or the last video. It's gonna give you something, but most likely it's gonna be towards Los Angeles, right? I don't want to go to Los Angeles right now, so I can't take this. But remember what I told you. I'm driving right now, so my audio is not gonna be that clear. But remember what I was explaining to you. You want to get to these colleges and where the food court is and go up on Foothill and just start driving. And 99% is going to give you a ride towards Los Angeles, Pomona, or Rancho Cucamonga, right? Now, it showed it to me twice, which means exactly what I'm doing is perfect. There's no drivers there. I'm the only driver. It's showing me a ride that's already viewed, and Uber really wants me to take this. If this person really wants to go, it'll turn from $27 into $30 and it'll become a priority. Okay, red light, so now I can talk. Sorry if my audio was bad, but bear with it. When I'm driving, you know, my headphones are very sensitive. You can hear anything, but there's value in what I'm explaining to you.